Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Shubhangi and you're watching Glam Mermaid. Welcome back to another exciting video, and in today's video we will do a makeup look which would be Rakhi makeup look. So in this look not only will do makeup but also I will show you the outfit which I will wear for Rakhi, and also I'll show the jewelries. I tried to keep this look very subtle and minimal because generally for Rakhi most of us wear makeup and get ready during day only, because we tie Rakhi during day only mostly. In day all those heavy chatak wala look doesn't looks good. It looks very cakey and it looks too much. So I tried to keep it minimal and simple. So I've created this look which is very fresh. I tried to keep it nude so that it will look good with all the outfits out there. So if you're interested to know how I created this look, then keep on watching, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, hit the like button and comment down below what you think about this look. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So at first we will prep our skin. So it's very important to prep your skin very nicely before you do your makeup, because it makes your makeup look very flawless and nice. So I will do my skincare first, and for that I have washed my face using a gentle cleanser, and now I will use a toner. And for toner today I am using the Simple Soothing Facial Toner. Okay. It's a 100% alcohol free toner and it's very gentle. I will use a cotton pad to use that. I'll pour generous amount and then I'll apply it on my skin. I like to apply toner directly on the face using my hand. I'll just pour it in the hand and then I'll apply it. But as today I'm using makeup, so I want my face to be super clean. So at first I've cleansed my skin, but I want some extra cleansing because a toner also remove all the excess dirt which might be left after using cleanser also. So I'm using a cotton pad to get rid of those extra dirt which might be left on my face. So I'm done with using toner. Now I'll moisturize my face. At first I will use a serum, and for serum today I'm using the Biotic Advanced Ayurveda Biodendalion Visibly Ageless Serum for all skin type. It's a very soothing toner. Like after applying it you will feel like very soothing and calming type of feeling, so it's nice. I'll take a generous amount and apply it all over the face. So I have applied it all over my face and neck. Now let it sit for around a minute. If you have oily skin, you can start your makeup just after that, but as I have dry skin, I like to do my prep a little more so that my skin looks super hydrated, and for that I will use one more layer of moisturizer, and for that I am using the Good Vibes Neem Tulsi Gel. For sunscreen, today I am using the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Sunscreen, and it has SPF 50+. This is my all-time favorite sunscreen. I think this is my 5 or 6 number bottle tube. I've used this so much. I'm done with applying sunscreen, and now we'll move to the actual makeup. First we will use a primer, and for primer today I'm using the Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. It is a pore filling primer, so use it in the areas in which you have open pore. After applying this primer, it feels very smooth. The texture of the skin feels very soft and smooth. Now after applying this, I'll begin with the concealer. For concealer today I'm using the Maybelline New York concealer, and the shade today I'm using is 36 Golden. It's a perfect match shade for me, so I'll use it. I won't use a foundation today because it's a daytime look and I don't want to make it look super cakey. I just want it to keep very subtle and glowy. Now I'll blend all the things out using a concealer brush. And the concealer brush I'll use today is by Cuffs and Lashes, and the brush name is F011. I'm done with blending my concealer. So as I said, I won't use a foundation, but if you want, you can just use a foundation. It's totally up to you. But today I will not use a foundation. I will keep the look very minimal and subtle. So now I will set my concealer using a compact powder. And for compact powder, today I'm using the Maybelline New York compact powder. By the way, this is the old packaging. Now they have changed the packaging in some black color, but this is the old packaging, but the shades and everything are same. So the shade I am using is 04 Honey. I will use a powder brush and set all the areas in which I have applied concealer. My T-zone sweats the most, so I will set that area in a particular more nicely. Now let's quickly move to the next step, and for the next step I'll use contour. I'll use the contour brush. So this is a brush from Wet n Wild. I think this is the most expensive brush I have. This is one from their premium collection. It's called a highlighter brush, but I use it like both as a highlighter brush also and as a contour brush also. It works perfectly for both the function. For contouring today I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette. I love this so much. You can see I've hit the pan of the contouring part. I don't use a banana powder that much, although it is very good, but I don't know why I don't use it. But this contour part I just use so much. I'll take a little amount and I will just contour my face to give it a more chiseled and sharp look. Yep, we are done with contouring. Now let's move to the blush. For blush, I'm using the Maybelline's blush. This is also the old packaging, but the shades are same, and the shade is Fresh Coral. The shade is Fresh Coral. It's a very nice peachy pink shade and it will look good on all the beautiful skin tone out there. I don't use blush on the apples of the cheeks exactly, but I like to drag it like this. It looks more natural, that's why I do this. We are done with applying the blush. Now I'll move to the eyes, but before that I'll set my face, and for setting today I'll use the Sugar Grand Finale Highlighting Setting Mist. And now I'll take a beauty blender and dab it to pick any excess product which might be left on the skin. Now let's move to the eyes. So at first we will do the eyebrow, and for doing eyebrow today I'm using the Sugar Arc Arrival eyebrow pencil, and the shade I'm using is Cherry Brown. One side it has pulley and one side it has the product. You have to twist and you will get the product. It's a dark brown shade and looks very natural actually. Okay, so I'm done with doing my eyebrows. So now let's move to the actual eye makeup, like the eyeshadow part. So as it is a Raksha Bandhan makeup look, generally all of us wear this look during daytime only. So I'll keep the look very subtle and I will use very light colors. And for eyeshadow palette, today I'm using the Makeup Revolution Tammy X Revolution palette. From this palette, I'll take the mauve shade, plum kind of shade. This shade I'll take and apply it on my crease. Tap the excess product and then apply it on the crease. This eyeshadow palette, damn, it's so pigmented. If you are looking for a colorful eyeshadow palette which is pigmented and nice, give it a try. This is very good. I'll just place the shadow first and then blend it out with the same blending brush. You can just match the eyeshadow with your outfit. Today I will wear an orange outfit, so I think I'll use an orange eyeshadow. So I'll take a flat shader brush and pick the orange shade, this orange shade, and place it on the lid. Also apply the same eyeshadow on the lower lash line also. Okay, I'm done with applying the eyeshadow and I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Now let's move to the eyeliner. For eyeliner today I'm using the Blue Heavens eyeliner. I'll do a small wing today. So at first draw the wing and then fill inside. Ta-da! It's done. So I'll do the same with the other eye also. Yeah. So I'm done with both the eyes and both the eyes are looking pretty same. It's a task to make your both the eyes look same. Okay, now I will curl my eyelash and wear a mascara. Okay, I've curled my eyelash using the eyelash curler and now it's time to apply mascara. And for mascara today I'm using the Maybelline's the Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. It's a very nice mascara and gives you that falsies kind of look. Also apply also apply the mascara on the lower lash as well. Maybelline really comes up with really good mascaras. So I'm done with the eyes. Now let's apply the highlighter and finish up the look. For highlighting today I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. I'm taking a highlighter brush and I'll highlight the highest point of the face using this. Now I'll take a small highlighter brush. This is a really nice brush from Cuffs and Lashes. This Chutku brush, I'll take highlighter in that and I'll apply under my eyebrows, on the inner corner of the eyes. Yeah. I'm done now. Let's wear a lipstick and finish the look. With this eyes, I think I'll go with a nude lips. On the top I will use a gloss. I've prepped my lips before using a lip balm. And now for lipstick, today I'm using the Blue Heaven Hyper Stay Weightless Liquid Lipstick, and the shade is 11. Yeah, this. It's a nude shade, so I'll use that. I wear this lipstick with a lip liner, or I mix it up, because on its own it washes me out. Today on top of that I'll use a gloss. And for gloss, today I'm using the LA Colors Pout Lip Gloss. So I'll use this gloss on top of this. And yeah, it's done. I think this looks really nice. This looks really pretty. You can also wear a bindi. I will wear a bindi, and for that I use kumkum. So now I'll just quickly change into my outfit and then I'll be back. So I have changed into the outfit. So I have chose to wear a gown type of outfit. It is a very traditional. It's in the color orange, and this is how I look. And I have wore a earring, oxidized earring with it, and yeah, that's it. This is the final look, you guys. I hope you will like this look. I tried to keep the look as simple as possible. I tried to keep all the colors very minimal and such so that it will go with all the outfits out there. I tried to keep the look very nude and peachy. You can obviously change the lip shade according to your preference. I hope you will like the look, and if you like this look, make sure to hit the like button and comment down below what you think about this look, and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. So that's it for today's video. We'll meet very soon with another exciting video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.